Why is this called showcase? Where did this come from? Well, years ago, back in the 10, 15 years ago, we did showcase. We interviewed shop owners all over the country. We built a library of 150 shows that we did. Now we're taking a little bit different approach this time. Yeah, we do feature some interviews with shop owners. We feature interviews with competitors in our marketplace. We feature things that you would love to hear and listen to. But I'm going to share with you something that is some of the reasons and some of the things Auto Shop Showcase is showcasing for you. We showcase to you 5-step freedom and liberty path. We showcase our SOP starter kit. We showcase our 30-question Auto Shop performance assessment. We showcase 7-question Auto Shop checkup. We showcase the Auto Shop Force. Wow, what's that? Contact me, I'll let you know. We feature my book I wrote in 2014 called Turnaround Point. We feature Go for No. We feature budgeting for profit, stacking up cash, making more money than you would ever believe. We feature how to manual construction. We showcase shop libraries. We showcase PARP, prepare, audit, rehearse, present. We showcase Lotus Code, the 6 steps to attainment. We showcase WOIT, working on it Tuesday. We showcase leveraging people, process, and profits. And man, there's so much stuff. We can't list them all. We showcase Camels, Spectators, and Sponges by Richard Flint. We also showcase 5 levels of business ownership. Folks, if any of these tripped your trigger, I didn't list them all because you'd probably be in a coma. Give me a call, 270-282-1262, and say, Gary, tell me all about the things you showcase. Maybe I want to partake of some of those. So thank you. Take care. This is Gary, your showcase MC. I love it. Y'all take care. Remember, call me 270-282-1262. Get started now.